Welcome to the Sprinkles of Spirit podcast. I'm Lisa, and I am your host. With a lifelong passion for self-discovery, personal growth, and spirituality, I have realized the ability to transform our lives is a timeless gift that lies within each of us, waiting to be awakened. Join me in this space every Thursday as I share with you all of the powerful practices and tools that have helped me elevate my mind, body, and spirit, as I know they will do the same for you. Together, we'll unleash your potential through self-love, self-acceptance, and faith, empowering you to live an inspired life that radiates with authenticity, purpose, and unwavering joy. I am so grateful you are here. Remember, you are exactly where you are supposed to be, and you are loved beyond measure. Namaste. Thank you so much for tuning in this week. Hi, everyone. So let's take our breath together. So go ahead and create your space. We know that the breath brings us together, brings us into the here and now. And how often do we take one cycle of breath to let go of your day, let go of your week? For some of you, maybe this is your first conscious breath of the week. So go ahead and get quiet and close the eyes. And take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your breath fill up the belly, the ribs, the shoulders, the chest. Allow your exhale to come out of the mouth and relax the jaw. Let everything get quiet. Be here now as we breathe in through the nose. Breathe out through your nose. And slowly open your eyes. And it's magic. So beautiful. I wanted to talk to you today and give you a tool to put in your self-love toolbox. It's a practice, a meditation practice called Trataka. And it's my favorite form of meditation, and it is candle gazing. So first I want to tell you, actually, I do have my notes here. A little bit of the background of this form of meditating. If you have never heard of it or have never tried it, you can find very early mentions of Trataka in the Hatha Yoga Pradipika, which is a 15th century Sanskrit manual on yoga. And the authors of the text instruct practitioners to gaze steadily at a small mark until the eyes are filled with tears. So it is an ancient practice, and forgive my Sanskrit, pronunciation, but it's, yoga is said to be about 4,000 to 5,000 years old. And this practice, I have to tell you, is my favorite because it's the most powerful, and I feel the benefits immediately. And it really is one of the most powerful ways that I deeply connect to my angels, to God, to the Ascended Masters, to Jesus, to Mother Mary. And it's so beautiful and it's special. And I will tell you, it is a practice. Life is very busy right now, and I'm not gonna, sit here and tell you I do it every day, but there was a period I was doing this every single morning. I committed during Lent. Every single morning, I would light my candle and practice this form of meditation. And so let me tell you how to do it. So the idea is to light a candle, and if you have a long candlestick, that's ideal. And you want to be sitting about an arm's length away from the candle. You want the tip of the flame of your candle to be at eye level, right? So your eye gaze wants to be straight ahead into the bright and staring at the brightest part of the flame. So the tip of the flame is where our eye gaze goes. And the idea is to get quiet, place your palms in a mudra, maybe Dhyana mudra, the left palm on top of the right, touch your thumbs together. That's a beautiful mudra of meditation, concentration. And allow your eyes to get soft and gaze at the brightest tip of the candle. Now, the practice is to try not to blink. And you'll find this challenging at first, but as you begin to soften and focus on your breath, focus on your inhale and your exhale, you'll find yourself with the ability to stare and gaze into the flame without blinking. And yes, until the eyes kind of get watery, your eyes will begin to tear up, And this is a purification technique. It's a purification technique. The flame of the fire purifies the mind, purifies your eyes, and it really is a preparation for your further sadhana or your spiritual practice. It's a further purification for you to sit in stillness. And it is beautiful, and the benefits, right away you feel a deep state of relaxation, absolutely a reduction in stress and anxiety levels. And with consistent practice, you will begin to experience improved sleep quality and just a really beautiful overall greater sense of well-being inside and out. And it really is this practice connected also, talking about the chakras, and I did a whole episode on that in season 1. It is connected deeply to your third eye, and that is our seat of intuition, your Ajna chakra, right? That's the space on the forehead between the eyebrows, and that's our sense of knowing. That's your sixth sense. Everyone has it. Well, Trataka meditation practice, this is a beautiful and powerful way to deepen and strengthen your own intuition, your sense of knowing, right? We know because we know. Another benefit also is to use this practice for manifestation. And I really think the perfect time for it, if you want to make it a monthly practice, if not weekly, is around the night of a new moon. I would say a beautiful new moon ritual is to use this Trataka meditation, candle gazing, really powerful spiritual practice that you can make a part of your monthly new moon ritual. And, grab your journal and write out, your intentions, what it is you want to focus on, what it is you want to manifest, what are your visions, right? And then as you're gazing into the candle, into the flame, the tip of the flame. You can really visualize what it is you want to manifest in your life. Visualize it in your third eye. So as the eyes begin to tear up, that's when you can softly allow them to close and let your inner gaze go up towards that third eye. Now, this is where some people are said to have had psychic visions, divine downloads. You may see the candle, the flame in the third eye. You may receive messages from your higher power, from your angels. Some divine direction, may come through. People have said all kinds of things that they experience. It really is an individual experience, and I encourage you to give it a try with an open mind, and allow yourself to have the experience without expectation, without judgment. That's only going to further your sense of kind of manic meditating, right? There's manic manifesting, and there's also manic meditating, like the effort is there. You're trying. It really should be a relaxed, intimate, feeling with you and your own private, sacred, safe space, sacred, safe space. And it really overall, I would say is incredibly balancing to the whole nervous system. And it's just very effective in relieving tension, anxiety, depression, insomnia. And it really does, I have to tell you, bring a really beautiful sense of harmony and inner peace to your life. And it will help you develop willpower. It will improve clarity. If you're struggling with something in your life, it's a practice that can really bring clarity, focus, intensifies concentration, and it really encourages you to go inward and connect, with the subconscious mind and deepen your spiritual practice and deepen your connection to your higher power. And it's just it's a really beautiful, powerful way to prepare yourself for then further meditation as the eyes close and you sit there and breathe. So yeah, I wanted to talk about that. I don't believe I did, an episode on that last year. I would highly recommend this as it's definitely my personal favorite way to drop into meditation. And so, yeah, grab your journal, write out those steps, hit replay, and make sure you jot this down and bring it into your life and let me know, how you like it. So, okay, let's get to, I picked a Power of Surrender card. So I'm working with Judith Orloff's Power of Surrender deck this year as I'm guided to, and what you are guided to surrender each week, right? That's the question I ask, and then the card pops out. So this week, the card that popped out is Surrender to the Wisdom of Your Body. So it says, listen to your body's messages about a person or situation. If you feel physically drained or uncomfortable, be cautious. If you are energized and happy, move forward. Oh yeah, so The Body Keeps Score, and that is a book. The body keeps score. The body knows. The body holds the wisdom. Your body holds the answers. So the more we practice yoga, the more we get on our mat, the more we breathe, and we cultivate that body awareness, you start to recognize when you're triggered or when you're reacting, where are you feeling it in your body? When you're thinking about someone or a situation, where are you feeling it in your body? therein the answer lies, right? If you're tight, you're closed off, you're uncomfortable, your tummy hurts, your neck hurts, there's pain, that I would say is just an overall big capital N no. No, stop, you know? A yes feels like a hell yeah, like hell yeah, right? Like open, expansive, you're excited, full body chills, just like air, breath of fresh air, maybe butterflies. Like there could be some nervousness, but it's like openness, that's a full body yes. That's a full body yes. And as we bring these practices into our life, yes, yoga, yes, breath work, meditation, do this practice of Trataka, and you will begin to tune into the sensation of your body, in a heartbeat. You'll start to know, oop, that's a no. And you will definitely know when you're getting the green light. You'll know when it's a red light and you'll know when it's a green light. The body always is speaking to us every second of the day. And the more we can cultivate these self-love tools, bring them into our life, you become conscious, of what your body is telling you. It's speaking to you every single day, every minute of the day through the breath, I would say, number one. So yeah, see how that works for you this week. Do the practice of Trataka. Surrender to the wisdom of your body. So whatever's going on with you, tune into your body because it's speaking to you loudly. So thank you for tuning in this week. Until next time, I will meet you right back here. Have a beautiful week. Namaste.